Let's end with dark chocolate, because this is where immune nutrition meets pleasure, and we need to be both appreciative and realistic. High-quality dark chocolate with 70% or more cacao contains flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, with demonstrated immune-enhancing, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Studies show dark chocolate consumption increases immune cell activity and may reduce stress hormones that impair immunity. The theobromine in cacao may suppress cough as effectively as codeine. These are real effects with research support. The recommendation to consume 1 to 2 ounces, about 2 squares, of dark chocolate 70 to 85% or higher cacao daily is specific and moderate. Choosing quality chocolate with minimal added sugar and no unnecessary additives, eating plain as an after-meal treat, melting over berries for antioxidant combination, adding cacao powder to smoothies or oatmeal, or making hot chocolate with raw cacao powder and plant milk provides variety. Raw cacao powder containing highest flavonoid levels is accurate. Processing reduces flavonoid content, so less processed cacao products retain more beneficial compounds. The suggestion to combine with nuts for a satisfying immune-supporting snack creates a combination of flavonoids, healthy fats, vitamin E, and minerals. The magnesium in dark chocolate supporting immune cell function and stress management is a legitimate benefit. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including those essential for immune cell signaling. The note that milk chocolate is low in cacao, high in sugar, and milk proteins may reduce flavonoid absorption steers people toward appropriate choices. Here's where we need honesty. Chocolate is calorie-dense and contains sugar even in dark varieties. 1 to 2 ounces is about 150 to 300 calories. The recommendation emphasizes moderation is important because chocolate is calorie-dense and excessive sugar is immunosuppressive. This is the critical caveat that often gets minimized in discussions of chocolate's health benefits. The psychological pleasure of chocolate supporting healing through stress reduction is real, but not quantifiable. Stress impairs immune function, so anything that reduces stress may indirectly support immunity. But this is a gentle effect, not a powerful intervention. The caffeine content, 12 to 24 milligrams per ounce, matters for people sensitive to caffeine or consuming chocolate later in the day. This isn't mentioned as prominently as it should be. Caffeine can interfere with sleep, and sleep is essential for immune function. What bothers me is the tendency to use dark chocolate's immune benefits as justification for excessive consumption. People hear dark chocolate is good for you and eat large amounts, negating any benefits through excess calories and sugar. 1 to 2 squares, about 20 to 40 grams, is moderate. Half a bar or more is excessive. The flavonoid research is legitimate, but again, the doses used in studies showing significant immune effects often exceed what you get from eating reasonable amounts of chocolate. You can't eat your way to therapeutic flavonoid doses with chocolate without consuming problematic amounts of calories and sugar. My final assessment: dark chocolate in small amounts, 1 to 2 squares of high-quality 70% plus cacao daily, can be part of an immune-supporting diet. It provides flavonoids, magnesium, and psychological pleasure with research showing modest immune benefits. But it's a small addition to a comprehensive nutritional strategy, not a cornerstone. Enjoy it mindfully in moderation, choose quality products, and don't use health benefits as justification for excess. This is where pleasure and nutrition can coexist if we're disciplined about portions.